Hi there and welcome to our channel. So it has been more than a year since the Redmi 9 was released. If you have been waiting for a successor, then there's a good news for you. The Redmi 10 is coming and its launch is very near. And now the Chinese tech giant Xiaomi itself has revealed the entire specs of the Redmi 10 smartphone. The company shared a series of posters of the Redmi 10 smartphone. The Redmi 10 is going to be a huge upgrade over its predecessor in both design and specifications. You will be glad to know that the device will come with a 6.5-inch LCD display with 90Hz adaptive refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. The device will also get a huge upgrade in camera department. The Redmi 10 will feature a quad camera system on the back led by a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a two 2-megapixel sensors, probably for macro and depth effects. The front camera will be an 8-megapixel shooter that will be located in a centered punch hole. Another major upgrade that we will get is the chipset. The Redmi 9 came with MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, but the Redmi 10 smartphone will be powered by the all-new MediaTek Helio G88 SoC. Xiaomi has moved the fingerprint scanner from the back to the side, where it doubles as the power button. The audio jack has also been moved to the top alongside a second speaker grill for the second speaker, and the phone will have stereo speakers. The device will get power from a 5000 mAh battery with support for 18-watt fast charging. It will come in three colors: carbon grey, pebble white and sea blue. The upcoming Redmi 10 will sit under Redmi Note 10, so it could be priced around Rs 10 to 12,000. So that's it for today guys, and what you guys think about this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section below. As always, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.